This lesson covers string class. We often use string as a primitive data type. So we know that it is a sequence of characters, or string data type represent a series of character values. But actually string is a class that comes with the Java library. It means that there are useful method comes with that too. So let's look at the difference between primitive data type and then objects using string class. So for example, we declare string s1 with a value called welcome to Java. Then normally I visualize it with s1 equals to value called welcome to Java. Instead of looking at it as s1 has a value welcome to Java, we illustrate it as an object that refers to string value. So this case we say that s1 is object reference variable, but we are not using a syntax called new and then string. Let me show you what I mean by that. So s2 new, then name of the class, which is we are talking about here, using constructor with one parameter, happen to have the same value, welcome to Java. So this is how we construct the object using default constructor, or constructor with one parameter in this case. Again, both objects refers to same value based on string class. So the S1 we create as an intern string object, and the next one we create as a string object. For convenience, string class allows us to use intern string objects. So let me declare one more, S3. Again, it's an intern string object. So difference between S1 and S3 is that S3 also refers to existing string value, welcome to Java. On the other hand, when we say string S4, next one, using constructor, again we are using same value. This constructor object that refers to same value. Again, string object, so that refers to string class. And then here we have a string object. So if you're looking at here, we have 4 object reference variable S1 to S4. If you look at the box, we actually have only 3 objects. So S1, S2, those 2 object reference variable, it does not point to same object. So let me just explain here. So 2 equals or equality operator here. Whether 2 object reference variable refers to the same objects or not. According to picture, it doesn't. What about S1 equal to S3? Again, if you look at the illustrations, S3, S1, both of them refers to the same object, same intern string objects. So answer is supposed to be true. Let's look at S2 and S4. Answer is false because those are 2 identical objects, but no matter what, there are 2 objects. So that's why it comes with one method called equal. If you look at the string class, this method allows us to compare whether each object has the same contents. It means that certain objects may have more than one value inside. In this case, it looks like we have only single string value within one object. So here, when we say S1 equal is true because it has same value. S1 equals S3 again is true. So basically everything is same, has the same contents. So just look at the equals method comes with string class in the Java library. Let me quickly demonstrate. Again, I'm going to use same examples. So welcome to Java, and then That's going to be intern string object. And then S2 again has the same value, but this time I'm using a constructor with one parameter that happen to be same value. Again, this is a string object, fully functional string object. Let me change to 3 and 4. Everything is same. So let's see whether we can compare S1, S2. Basically saying whether two object reference variable refers to the same object or not. Again, S1 is an intern object, and then S2 is fully functional string objects. So answer is supposed to be false. Again, S1, S3, both of them are intern object, referring to same object. So if we compare S1, S3, is true. Okay, let me remove that. This time comparing with two string objects, S2, S4. Again, answer is supposed to be false. So again, same, false, true, and false. Only intern objects we can refer to the same object, or when you use a string data type, you declare as a primitive data type, then you may refer to only one intern string object rather than fully functional two string objects. In that case, you have to use a constructor. We have equals object and the return Boolean data type. You should read the description. Say return true and false. Compare with S2. So we are looking at actual contents. Again, S1, S2, both objects has the same contents. That's the idea of using equals methods. If you want to see whether two objects, in this case 3 objects, has a identical contents or not. So S1, S2, S1, S3, and then S2, S4. Again, every object, those 3 objects has the same contents. So it should be all true. Okay, for now, that's all. Thank you.